Hello students, welcome to this session on blood grouping or blood typing. I am sure you would have noticed blood group being mentioned on ID cards, driving license and other such important documents. Have you ever wondered why information of your blood group is given extreme importance? In today's class, you will find answers for all your questions as we go on to understand the concept of ABO blood grouping, its importance and applications. Blood is essential for life. It's a fluid connective tissue and on average, human body contains 5 liters of blood. Blood mainly composed of erythrocytes or red blood cells, leukocytes or white blood cells and thrombocytes or platelets. Blood performs many vital functions like supplying oxygen and nutrients such as glucose, amino acids and fatty acids to the body cells. Removing waste such as carbon dioxide, urea and lactic acid. Circulating white blood cells has immunological function to fight against invading pathogens. There is no substitute for blood. It cannot be made or manufactured artificially. Generous blood donors are the only source of blood for patients. ABO blood grouping is well known and medically important for humans. In addition to this, there are approximately 200 minor blood groups, but they are the rarest. ABO blood types were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1901, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1930. Every year, birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner is celebrated as World Blood Donors Day on 14th June. RBC or erythrocytes carrying antigens on cell surface, and these antigens will decide the blood group of a person. These RBC antigens are glycoprotein in nature. They carry a segment of protein spanning through the plasma membrane, with a chain of oligosaccharide projected on top of the cell. This oligosaccharide chain will differ in each blood group like A, B and O, which decides our blood group. Another system of blood typing depends on Rh antigen or D antigen. Blood for this antigen will either be Rh positive or negative based on presence or absence of it. Rh positive person can never donate his blood to Rh negative person, while reverse is possible. Based on ABO and Rh system, there are 8 major blood groups: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. The structure of ABO antigens shown here clearly indicates that the carbohydrate chain on O group RBC cell is called H substance. This H substance becomes the precursor for making A and B antigens, for which a specific carbohydrate is added by glycosyl transferase to make A and B antigens. The carbohydrate added to H substance to make A antigen is N-acetyl galactosamine, whereas for B antigen galactose is added. This clearly explains why O blood group person is universal donor and both A and B blood group persons' immunity will never elicit immune response against O. Blood groups are inherited from our biological parents in the same way as eye color and other genetic traits. Within the ABO blood group system, the A and B genes are codominant. That is, these will be expressed whenever the gene is present. This table here gives us a summary of kind of antigen present on RBC cell and antibodies in serum. A group person makes antibodies to B antigen as it's foreign. B group person will possess antibodies to A antigen. O group person will possess antibodies to both A and B antigens, while AB group person will neither have antibodies to A nor to B. As we know, in our immune system, it's the B cell that can produce antibodies, but they need to be exposed to respective antigens for their activation and production of antibodies. Then, how is our body exposed to these RBC antigens? Why does our body serum carry antibodies to foreign RBC antigens? The reason is that our immune system is not directly exposed to these antigens of RBC, but our gut microbial flora and their carbohydrates associated with the cell wall mimics A and B antigens. This triggers B cell to produce antibodies to these foreign antigens. This phenomena is called cross-reactivity. Most people produce robust antibodies against A, B and Rh antigens during their first year of lifespan. Thus, ABO-Rh system of blood typing is very important. Now, let us see how blood grouping is done in lab. In lab, we make use of blood typing kit, which comprises of monoclonal antibodies to A, B and D antigens, which will help us to identify the presence or absence of these antigen in given blood sample. Now, let us see to the process of blood typing. First, take a clean slide and place 3 drops of blood. Add anti-A to first drop, anti-B to second and anti-D to the third blood drop. Using separate applicator, mix them well. Set it aside for a minute and you will be able to notice clumping or agglutination of RBCs. Agglutination clearly indicates the presence of specific antigen on cell. For example, if clumping happens in all the blood drops, we can declare the blood group as AB positive, showing the presence of A, B and D antigens on RBC cell that has reacted with anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. The blood group is very important when it comes to blood transfusion. Blood transfusion can save a patient's life and limit the complications of severe blood loss. Donor and recipient blood group must match. If incompatible blood is given to patient, it can cause intravenous clumping of blood, which can be fatal. Blood typing is particularly important for pregnant women to avoid erythroblastosis fetalis, a hemolytic disease in newborn. This picture gives you an overview of this condition. This hemolytic disease occurs due to incompatibility of mother and fetus blood group. It may lead to serious medical complications. This happens when fetus RBC cell enters mother's circulatory system. Mother's immune system will recognize Rh positive cells as foreign and produce antibodies against fetus RBC cells. Nothing bad happens in first pregnancy. Mother's immune system has something called as memory. This will complicate the situation in second pregnancy if baby is Rh positive again. Antibodies to Rh antigen will cross the placenta and cause hemolysis of fetus RBC. This can lead to fetus becoming anemic and may even cause death. In this case, a special drug is administered to mother to stop the mother's immune system to actively participate by administering RhoGAM, an anti-Rh antibodies. Now, let's study one of the rare blood group called Bombay blood group. This blood phenotype was first discovered in Bombay by Dr. Y.M. Bhende in 1952. Individuals with this rare blood phenotype do not express H antigen or H substance like the antigen which is present in blood group O. They can donate blood to A, B or O and can receive blood only from Bombay blood group person. With this, I conclude this session saying that knowledge of blood group is required to prevent the risk of receiving or donating an incompatible blood type at the time of medical emergency. I hope you had a good insights on blood typing. Thank you.